Physics is a hard subject, I won't lie. When we think of smart, we think of Einstein, who was a physicist. But why is this subject so hard? Like, really? In this video, we're gonna explore them, and I'll also give you guys a tip that helped me so much at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. Okay, so first of all, in all the courses or subjects you might see, physics has the most math. Let's be real, physics basically uses math to model our real world. Our world is pretty complex, so the math is complex. Things like Hilbert spaces and conformal transformations are especially hard because they're hard to visualize. So, if you want to be good at physics, it's pretty important to be good at math. An easy way to do this is by trying to solve problems. And when you don't get something, watch 3 videos on it. In this way, you can get 3 inputs and maybe one of the explanations will stick with you. So, point blank, do math. Alright, so secondly, you need to be a problem solver. Most questions in physics require a deep, intuitive sense of what you're actually doing. You need to understand how to approach a problem and how to solve it. But then there are issues. You can't just memorize how to solve every problem because there are infinite amounts of them. That's why physicists come up with methods and formulas to systematically solve things. You need to get good at understanding how to apply these topics and why they matter. The best way to do this is by solving problems as well, but make sure not to overdo them. It can get stressful and may even be worse for you. I want you guys to know that physics is important, but make sure to approach it with an open mind and not be stressed by it. After all, physics is a science and should be approached with curiosity. Okay, so the third reason physics is so hard is because of the depth of knowledge that we already have. Ever since civilization began, we wanted to know about our world and universe, which is why we did so much to learn about it. Over centuries, the knowledge has piled up so high that we have now started manipulating quantum states and naming string types in string theory. There is so much and it can get overwhelming. Now, this is a perfect time to help you guys, when all seems dark, so make sure that you're listening. The greatest minds in physics were not always stressed. Einstein spent his time as a child wondering about light. He spent his days being curious about questions that he wanted to solve. Newton didn't just invent calculus for the sake of it. He needed a tool to model his vast imagination. Never be scared about the hard topics that will come. Be amazed by the curiosity that will be challenged. Don't you see? Curiosity is the only truth. Curiosity is the best, most effective way to be a physicist. You don't just memorize. You start visualizing, creating, and imagining. So the next time a hard physics problem stumps you and you feel overwhelmed, just know that's normal. So many people struggle with physics, and the ones who make it out are hardworking, persevering, most importantly, curious. And even if you don't feel like you want to study physics, my channel will always be open to you, with tidbits of information that could make you more curious. My goal on this platform is to motivate people to love physics just a little bit more, and I hope this video has done that. Stay curious like a child, the world needs more of it. Bye.